If you have a Wyze camera, maybe you have a Wyze doorbell, you just got upgraded. Brand new feature from Wyze inside the Wyze app, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Tech it before you wreck it. I'm Kirk. I love these little things, these little Wyze cameras. I've got a whole bunch of them around my house. A lot of us do. 20 bucks a pop. They also have the wireless Wyze camera. They've got the motion Wyze camera. They've got the Wyze video doorbell version 2. I just did a review on this, so check that out if you haven't already. And here's the thing, inside the Wyze app, which you probably have on your phone if you have these cameras, there's a brand new feature they just added. You may not notice it if you don't know where to look, and I think it's pretty cool. So I'm gonna show you how it works, but if you stay till the end of the video, I'll also show you the thing I wish they would add with this feature. So let's check it out.
All right, so first things first, load up the Wyze app, and this is a pretty easy feature to find if you know where to look. Tap on Events on the bottom of the Wyze app, and you'll notice at the top, I now have this little moving icon. This takes you into what is called Timeline Show. And so what this does, every time it detects motion or sound, it grabs a freeze frame and it makes a slideshow out of all of those freeze frames from a specific camera. This is my front doorbell camera. And then you can slide your finger back and forth between those freeze frames. I can switch to my back patio camera here, and I get the same sort of thing. It's a cool 24-hour snapshot of all the motion and sound detected on a specific camera. I like it. I think it's neat. Here's my garage camera, same deal. It goes all the way back to late last night, into this morning, and throughout the day, and gives me a nice snapshot. And I like being able to slide my finger back and forth here. Watch this. As you'll see, I can kind of zip back and forth to show you what was going on. I think it's a great way to quickly access anything that happened on a certain camera throughout the day. I like it. A neat little feature, and you might not notice it if you don't know where to look.
So comment below, would you use this new feature? I think it's pretty cool. My only complaint is I want to be able to save these clips to my phone. In some situations, these would be cool for sharing, and what a great way for Wyze to get free advertising if I share one of these clips on social media. So hopefully they add that feature in the future. These things are cool though, I'll tell you what. And if you have these around your house, I hope this video was somewhat helpful. Subscribe to this channel. It helps this channel grow. Like this video and comment below. Tech it before you wreck it. I'm Kirk.